Good day to Dr. Wahida. I am Desitra from Group 27 going to present about the demo of our project. Our group members consisting of me, Desitra, Kenny, Nur Najwa and Nadia. So these are our group members. Introduction part will be covered by me, which is Desitra, for the designing and configuring a private virtual network using internet networking option in a virtual box. Task 2, DHCP server configuration, which includes the introduction, step-by-step configuration, and testing procedure will be covered by Nur Najwa. Task 3, SFTP server configuration will be covered by Nur Najwa, which includes the introduction, step-by-step configuration, and testing procedure. Task 4, web server configuration will be covered by Nur Nadia binti Dominic, which includes the introduction, step-by-step configuration, and the testing procedure. So the introduction for operating system. What is operating system? Operating system lies in the category of system software, handles and manages all resources of the computer, and the operating system functions for starting, stopping, manages processing and programs. Also manages input or output function of the devices, and also provides network capabilities such as managing network management and network protocol as well as sharing resources. Our virtualization software used is VirtualBox 7.0, specifically Oracle VM VirtualBox 7.0.14. And our operating system used is Debian 11, which uses 64-bit that uses Linux.
So now I'm going to explain about the step-by-step configuration for our internal network. So first we need to create two separate Debian for server and client. So for server, we need to set by going to the settings panel and then go to network. Adapter 1 is set to NAT, which is attached to NAT. Adapter 2 is attached to internal network, internet. And then go to the client, settings panel, network. Adapter 1 is attached to internal network, internet, and adapter 2 is not attached to anything. That's all from me.
My name is Kenny Ko. So I will be cover this part, DHCP. So before going to the testing procedure of DHCP, what is actually mean by its meaning? DHCP, also known as Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, which is a client-server protocol as well as a network management protocol that automatically assign IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, and other network configuration on a network. So for the testing procedure, for the server part, I will ping -C5 and the IP of client. This command is ping for the client. So it shows is successfully 0 packet loss. And the other, this command is ping for the network. And any network will do as well. Let's say I ping Google -C5 www.google.com. So it shows it can ping to the network with 0 packet loss. So next we will go to the client, which repeat the same thing as the server. Ping -C5 .1.254. This command is to ping to the server. Then ping again the network. For the client, it only can ping to the server but cannot ping to the network. Ping to the server, we can see it successfully because 5 packet transmitted with 0 packet loss, and it is show is the end for my part, DHCP, and that's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Nur Najwa and I'm gonna present about testing procedure. So SFTP is a network protocol that enables secure and encrypted file transfer between a client and a server. So first, we have to verify the setup by checking the user or client with the SFTP server connection. The 192.168.1.254 is the IP address for the server. And this is shown that the client is connected to the server SFTP. Next, for the server, we need to create the directory and assign the user to make it accessible. So this is the command /srv /sftp /payment files. And this is showing that this directory is already exist. Then we need to assign the user. Now we go back to the client. We can test the user's access by using this command. So now it is connected. Then we can check. This is the directory earlier. Then we create a new directory. And this too is the earlier directory that we test before, and this is the newest one, test2. Then at the server files, I consider the directory already been accessed. Test1, test1, and test2. This is the latest we try. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum Dr. Wahida. I'm Nadia Dominic. I'm going to present about web service. Web service are technical tools that allow different applications and systems to communicate with each other over the internet or intranet. They provide a common interface, making it possible for application work on different platforms and using various programming language to exchange data seamlessly. So we're going to install Apache 2 by using command sudo apt update, and then we use the command sudo apt install Apache 2. This command install the Apache SFTP server. We can see user interaction here when the prompt asking, do you want to continue? User can confirm the installation by typing 1 and pressing enter. Then we check the web server. This page serves as a confirmation that the Apache SFTP server is installed and functioning correctly on a Debian system. When you see this page, it means that the server software is running and accessible via the browser. The page contains text instruction and information about further configuration of the Apache server. Then managing Apache process and virtual host. This is the command we use. We go to testing procedure. We enter the IP address. And congratulations, the group 27.com virtual host is working. And that's all. Thank you.